Hello everybody and welcome back to Jenny's, and we've got double dipping glitches, guys. Yes, we do, and we got a couple of them, and you want to know, so come on in and we're going to talk all about it, and I'm going to tell you how to save money all week long. So come on in, and on your way in, please like and share the video. Invite your friends on over to hang out for a while. Yes, they may find that we saved them a lot of money too. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, let's hook you up. Look below and hit that subscription button and that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our deals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information that we have here at Crazy Country Couponer almost every day. And you want to know. And make sure you share it with your friends also, because more new people helps us in so many ways, guys. Because the more people that are our crazy friends, the more people that we can help. And we love helping. You know how that rolls. So, thank you for helping me by giving me all those wonderful YouTube things that they like me to have. So please make sure you like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment and an emoji. That way me and YouTube will be happy. And thank you. Love you bunches for doing so. Alright guys, let's hop in to what's going on with this free money. Because we're going to get free money from Dollar General when we spend so much money, okay? And by free money, well, I simply mean they're going to give you a extra $5 off when you spend $25 on PG products. Now, this is a glitch, and it's a glitch because all of these are manufactured coupons, and they are stacking together, at least in the cart. So let's have a look. And that's what we're looking at for this save 5, spend 25 on your PG paper products. Because we're going to do some combining on these two deals with this PG paper and the PG pet products, if you still have that coupon. Both of those are for $5, and this is stacking with other manufactured coupons, even though it's not a store coupon. And so is the PG Pet coupon. So those are the scenarios that we're going to be working with for Saturday. Now, if you do not want to wait till Saturday, then you can still do this deal in the middle of the week. It's not going to be as good as if you wait and get that $10 off on Saturday. But, if you got to have the paper, you got to have it. So, this is an interchangeable deal, because you can use it a couple different ways. And we'll talk more about it in the next video, because I don't want this video to run too long. But we'll go into the different variations in the next video. Because you can have Charmin toilet paper with this deal. What other? I think it's just Charmin. You've got coupons for the Charmin as well. And the price points are pretty much close too. So if you don't need as many paper towels and you want to substitute the toilet paper, you can do so. Because you've got coupons for that as well. But me, I love my paper towels, and because they don't go bad, I don't think you can have enough. Okay, let's get you an array of paper products. You're going to pick up some Charmin. Now, I've got the Charmin that's $11.05. They got another one for $10. The Charmin Essentials will work as well, but that was out of stock, so I couldn't use the cart for that. Okay? And you're going to get $1 off on that Charmin. Now, on the Bounty Essentials, I got 3. And you're going to get an additional 50% off. And on the Puffs Plus, I picked up 3. And on this account, of course, it's telling me when I do this, I'm going to get my 10 off if I do this now. Now, let's see what's going to come off. I'm at $27.70. The deals applied is $9.70 coming off. Leaves an out-of-pocket of $18, guys. Now, that's a winner. You are getting 3 boxes of Puffs. 3, 6, 7 items. So 7 items for $18, guys. So something like $2.50 an item. I think that's still an awesome deal. Now, of course, if you don't need the Puffs, they were $6.15. You could pick up another type of bounty about the same price, and I think there's another $1 coupon coming off. So kind of stay within the same price range and with the same amount of coupons. So, of course, once we did this, we would receive our 10 off of 40 for Saturday. So your out-of-pocket, or your savings, was $9.70, guys. Now, me, you know, I'm all about the paper towels. And I happen to like the Bounty Essentials. So, this is what I'm looking to do with my Bounty deal. I'm going to pick up 5 of those 2 = 4 Bounty double rolls. And I'm going to pick up 1 of the 6 count for $9.50. That's the 6 = 12 rolls for $9.50. You're going to get $1 off of that one and 50 cents off of 1 of the Bounty double rolls. Now, this is my Saturday deal because I've already got a 10 off of 40, as you've seen. So we're going to double dip the glitching double dip deals. Wow, that is a mouthful, guys. Now, both of these double dips are actually glitching because the free money or bonus money, the 5 off when you spend X amount of money, is not a store coupon. It's listed as a manufactured coupon, and it's not supposed to stack with other manufactured coupons, but it is. So, let's have a look at what else we're going to get. We're going to pick up the Bounce Pet Hair dryer sheets, $5.50, and you've got a $1.50 coupon coming off. We're going to pick up 2 of the Pet Odor Eliminator for breezes, or you can get the Air Effects. Air Effects will be a little bit cheaper. You'll still be within your price range if you pick up 2, and you've got that $3.20 coupon coming off. And then you're going to pick up the Swiffer Wet Cloths for $10.25. And you're going to get an additional $5 off. So let's see what our out-of-pocket is any day of the week for this deal. Now, this is a massive deal. It come up to $51.25. And I know you're thinking, oh my gosh, you're like $10 over. Yes, I am $10 over, but that's in order to accommodate both price points. That's what I had to end up doing. However, on Saturday, I'll be saving an additional $10 on this deal, which means I'll be saving $26.30. And my out-of-pocket for this deal will be $24.95. And, well, I think that is a winner, considering all the items I'm getting. And if I did my paper deal during the week, just the paper deal would be almost as much. So, yes, doing the deal on Saturday with your 10 off of 40, double dipping those deals, is a better way to do it. But if you can't wait, you got that too. So there you go, guys. Wow, you got several deals today, but we're going to dive into those other deals separately and show you some different variations. So blessings, and we'll talk again real soon. Don't forget, show me the love, do all that good stuff, and come back and see me.